The Song Doctor service is not for beginners, just up front, okay? It's for people like you with songs. You've got songwriters, you might have a whole bunch, might just have a handful, but you recognize there's something missing. There's a whole lot of reasons why songs don't work, right? Common mistakes. The lyric in the first verse is got something to it, and then it peters out. The second verse and the third verse are weaker. All right, I can help you with that. Sometimes people have the wrong titles, and then so that's confusing with the theme of the track or the song. All right, so that's a common mistake. Sometimes it's just boring, and you're bored with it, and yet you can see something in there. There's something beautiful. There's something. It's important to you to write the song, but you can't work out why it's boring. Sometimes it's the melody. Sometimes it's the lyric and the melody just don't go together. That's like almost you got two different song ideas. Sometimes it's the tempo. Sometimes it's the time, the meter of your lyrics. They just don't fit with the melody you're trying to write, or they don't fit in the tempo you've got, or they don't fit in the chord signature, the chord pattern. A lot of reasons, okay? Sometimes it's form and structure. Sometimes it's like, what is the theme of this song? What's the purpose of this song? Because it might have lots of good little ideas in there, but we need to shape them and take a few out, put them over here for another day. Probably they'll go into another song. You might have 2 songs in there. You might have 3 songs in there. It happens. I can help you diagnose what is working and what isn't working. And it's not me telling you, I'm going to show you. I might challenge you. Oops. Yes, I might challenge you. I'm like, why are you writing this? What's the purpose of this song? I might challenge your chords. I might go, why are you playing those chords? Or I might say, I'm going to suggest a different chord here, a different chord here, or a different bass note. Oh, I might suggest this song needs a bridge. I might suggest, why do we have a bridge? This song doesn't need a bridge. Okay. Every song's different. And a lot of people, when we want to sound like, we write like our heroes. You want to write a song like Coldplay or U2, or it doesn't matter who it is. And we tend to write in the same way they're writing, without the same material, without the same concept, without the same theme or purpose. So we're pushing us around peg in a square hole. So I'm going to challenge you. We'll have a conversation, and hopefully we'll help you go, all right, identify that. This is how I can fix it and can change it. That's what we do. That's what the Song Doctor is. My job is to go through your songs with you, and then help you, help show you how you can fix them, how you can rewrite different parts, strengthen them, and also help you work, where's these songs, where could they go? Let's make a plan together where these songs can go, and maybe I recommend some other solutions, which might be another lesson, maybe it's some production, maybe I point you in a different direction. You should go and talk to that person or that, but they can help you next. That's what the Song Doctor is for. It's like a GP, right? General practitioner. I'm going to help you, okay, identify the problem and show you how you can fix it.